नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे रिफ्लेक्स इंडस्ट्री बोर्ड टू कंसीडर Q3 फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट ऑन January 21, 2026. The board of directors of Reflex Industries Limited will meet on January 21, 2026 to consider and approve the unaudited, standalone and consolidated financial result for the third quarter December and 9 months ended December 31, 2025 of the financial year 2025 to 2026. The trading window for designated person has been closed and will be reopened 48 hours after the results are published. Q3 result on the horizon. Reflex Industries Limited has announced that the board meeting is scheduled for the January 2026. During this meeting, the board of directors will review and approve the unaudited financial result. This assessment covered both standalone and consolidated figure. Financial under review. The core focus of the meeting will be the financial performance for the Q3 October, December and the cumulative 9-month period ending December 31, 2025. The results are for the financial year 2025 to 2026. The company's performance during this period is expected to provide insight into its growth trajectory. Trading window closure. As per the company policy related to the insider trading, the trading windows for designated person including insider has already been closed since January 1, 2026. The window will reopen 48 hours after the official publish of the aforementioned the financial result. This is measured in the compliance with the regulation. दोस्तों, आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर रहा है रिफ्लेक्स इंडस्ट्री के बारे में। और रिफ्लेक्स इंडस्ट्री जो Q3 का रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया और जनवरी 2026 ऑन 21 जनवरी। और ऑफिशियली एक नोटिस आया है जो द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर ऑफ रिफ्लेक्स इंडस्ट्री लिमिटेड विल मीट ऑन January 2021 2026 to consider and approve the unaudited, standalone and consolidated financial result for the third quarter October, December and the time 9 months ended December 31, 2025. The trading window for designated persons has been closed and will reopen 48 hours after the results are published. Q3 result on the horizon. Reflex Industries Limited has announced that a board meeting is scheduled for January 21, 2026. During this meeting, the board of directors will review and approve the unaudited financial result. This assessment covers both state loans and the consolidated figure.